Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will be diving deep into how to upscale images without losing quality. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So upscaling an image without losing quality essentially means using a AI super resolution to intelligently fill in missing pixels rather than just stretching existing ones. So there are different methods and apps that can help you do so. Here I'm using the Canva image upscaler. Here all you gotta do is simply upload a picture. So once you have uploaded a picture accordingly, you can simply go and tap it on, and it offers to simply 2x to 16x upscale directly in your browser or your app. So you can simply upscale it according to your choice. So you can simply you can find this magnifying glass, so you can just stretch the image and upscale it without losing your resolution. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.